to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video I am going to share you how you can create a custom reports using Power BI, right? And this is the question, actually questions we have been asking. Some of the engineers or consultant asked me, sir, please explain about this, how we can create and how we can create the custom reports and use the Power BI for our endpoints, right? So this is Microsoft endpoint portal. You need the license, right, for Power BI. It must be activated, right, if it's a E3 suite or E5 suites, right? So how you can get that? So this from this Intune portal, you just go to the reports and you see here there multiple reports are already available here. If you see, you can all these reports you can export the reports, but since you want to custom reports, so you have to use this Intune data warehouse, right? So you see, once you click on the Intune data warehouse, and you see what is the use of this Intune data warehouse, actually to build the report that provide insight for your organizations, right? With the Intune data warehouse, you can access the historical Intune data, right? Data refreshed on daily cadence, and a data model using a OData standard. So for that you can use also use the Power BI online to create reports, right? That this is what we are looking. And this pre-built app contain a basic set of custom reports. So if you open this into, this is online, maybe it's also available, you can download it on your machine, right? So this is Intune compliance, and let me access this Power BI. Okay, so it will take few minutes to log in. Okay, and then so once you log in into this Power BI, right, the Intune data warehouse let you create a custom reports from the Intune data using this reporting OData feed. This is for the third party reporting services, right? So you just copy this, right, and this is for OData feed. For all data you it will get through this, so it will take few minutes. You just make a note of this OData feed. So this is OData feed. What you have to do, you have to download the Power BI. So you have to download the Power BI or access the Power BI from any web browser, and license must be required, right? The Power BI license must be activated in your suites, whichever you E3 or E5, whichever you using, right? So it must be activated for your accounts to log in, right? So what you have to do, it will take a few minutes. It gets downloaded. Okay, it's first time, so it will take few minutes. Come on. So this is actually very powerful tool, and its a name is also, you say, Power BI, right? So it's giving very good informations to for your company. And you see, it's 90% of data in the world today has been created in the past 2 years. So, and that you can create a custom reports, right? So this is very nice feature which Microsoft has given, right? So let's activate here. So what you have to do, once you open the Power BI, right? So I will show you, in case if it will take more than what you have to do, you have to just open the Power BI, and from the file you click on the import data, and then and just put this OData feed URL and click on the get data. Let me open and show you. So how to create custom report using data feed. Okay, so just open this in the meantime. Okay, I think it's giving error. Open this. The URL is this app.powerbi.com, so it should know. I'm not sure why it's giving error. So this is the Power BI URL, or you can download it from store as well, right? So it seems okay. Continue. Okay, it seems I have not activated it. Let me activate this. Okay, first time I've activated it. Okay, let's get activated. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the select the reports, right, and Intune data warehouse, right, copy the custom which we have just copied. Now open the Power BI desktop, and from the file, right, normally on the, if you open the Excel or any similar like Excel, click on get data and OData feed and paste this URL, right, which we copied. This is the OData feed. You can copy this URL, OData feed URL, from your tenant, right, and then paste it here. Once you click on OK, it will connect to here your tenant, and it will ask for maybe username and password as well for your admin credential, and you can create a relationship and create a visualization reports, whatever you want to do, like color mapping, filter. So it's very large information it's coming. So let me quickly show you. It's opening Power BI. Okay, you see here it's open. So what you have to do, you have to go to the create data hub, add data, right? So reports, data warehouse, sorry, reports, add and prepare your data. Okay, here, so I don't have any data normally, or you can paste it here. I don't want to create a custom reports. In the desktop applications, normally you can see here, it's not coming, browse. No, I need to download, right? Once I download it, then it will show how you can, but this is a very simple, as I mentioned, right? So if you download this application on your machine, that will give uh, more features, right? So that you can create a custom report. It's very easy. It doesn't require lots of informations to, right, to catch this, right? So as I mentioned, right, so you just have to download the Power BI desktop and select the file, get data, OData feed, and just paste this OData which from your tenant, right? So you will get from this reports, data warehouse, and this is OData feed URL. And once you enter that, it will ask for the organization account and to sign in and just connect. Once you get, you will just see all this data in the navigator, and you can click filter as per your reports, and what you can select the chart as per your wish and publish to your to your within your organization, right? So this is very good information you can create through OData feed, and it's very nice tool and very powerful tool to use that. And this is the steps, right? So how you can load data in Power BI, it's very simple. Try this method. I hope you learn. And sorry, I am not able to show you because of maybe Power BI. Next time, maybe in the next video I will show you. Till then, maybe you know, right, how to do. This is only very 10 steps. You can try this method and create a report. Till then, thank you, have a good day.